What's up, everybody? Okay, so here is the Reblium roadmap for what is in review, what is planned, and what is in progress. So this will be a quick one. I got a pretty hectic month this month, so I'm trying to set up a couple of videos while I'm away or doing stuff. So in review, more hair cards and grooms. That's awesome. That's really cool. That's precisely what we want. More hair. It's nice. Record clips performance. Now this is an interesting one because you can connect to live. It allows us to record the session with us speaking and whatnot. Now, does it record sound and does it record in a way that we can export this over to another program? Right? Does this export to Unreal? Is it data that it records or is it just a video? What is it? Record clips, performances. So it does say performances. Video record a live performance from. Okay, so it's a video record. Okay, so it's nice, but it would be nice if we could take this data into another program. More stylized templates. Okay, I guess this is stylized templates, more variation of creating more stylized characters. Okay, so this is all in review. This has been done. Improved camera controls. Now, what is this? More control over the camera inside the editor. Now, this is something that would be really cool. Can you rotate up, down, left, right? Can you go around? Can you zoom? All of this kind of stuff would be great to know. That's a nice one though. It's going to progress what they're working on now. Import custom clothing. Now, this is something pretty cool. Import your own custom clothing, accessories, Reblium. I would love this. Being able to create a custom. Oh, okay. So this is also very cool. The public, you guys, can come here and write notes. What would you like? What would you like? What would you like them to work on, etc. This is very cool. Very cool. More face sculpting features. We really need this. Adding more features, shapes, and control to sculpting tools. More body customizations. Good. Adjustment and shapes. More control and customize over the weight and the body of your character. Okay, this is really good. I want more faces, but let's get that body going. We really need that. Photo to avatar. Okay, take a photo of the left and let AI handle the magic. Simply upload the use of your camera, submit a photo, and then, okay, let's see how it works, right? These things never work too well, but let's see how that works. AI rendering, what are they planning? AI rendering inside Reblium to create rendering of your character, utilize text prompts and utilize, okay, yeah, AI based, yeah, okay. So that is cool. Look, I like this feature. Some people don't. I really like this feature. I get it, it's not for pros, but this is kind of for a different market, which is pretty cool. Account login system. Okay. Introduce an email-based login system designed to optimize workflows, allowing seamless linking and data. Okay, so that is something we don't have, which is pretty cool. Right, planned skeletal compatibility UE5. At the moment, the Reblium Studio exports skeleton compatible to UE4. We're upgrading the application to work with UE5. Possibly more skeletons such as metahumans. That's the one that we're looking for. Metahumans and the UE5 skeleton. That's cool. That's cool. Do that. Blender SDK, seamless integration with Reblium and Blender. Now this is the one that I'm waiting for. This is being able to export your character into Blender, hopefully one click, sculpt as you please, and import that new character straight back into Reblium. This would be great. Unity SDK, nobody cares. I didn't even know Unity still exists, in all honesty. More body customization, adjustments, and shapes. More control and customize of the weight and body. Okay. Pose character. Now this will be cool. Use controls to pose characters inside Reblium Studio. This would be pretty cool, especially if we could save those out as animations and import them. So not just the poses, but you got to export that pose as an animation clip. And if we can export those into Unreal or something, that would be great. That would be awesome. Unity is no one cares. Marketplace for all things to do with Reblium. Okay, so this could start meaning that anyone can start creating things for Reblium Studio and selling them on a store, or they creating stuff and you can buy extra. I don't know what this means. Let's see. Let's hope it doesn't become too microtransaction-y, but if it's done fairly and pretty cool, I'm all for it. The more stuff you can get that you need, the better. So that's pretty cool. So that is what's happening. Quarterly roadmap. Import custom clothing. Whoa, in progress. Import custom clothing. Yeah, we know that. Can you bind it? Can you bind it to the character? This is the big one. More face sculpting features. Yes, that's in progress. Body. Oh no, well, it says adjustment. So it's more about the body. This face sculpting features, but then it says more body customization. I don't know. Shapes and control. Oh, control too. Yeah. Okay. This is much needed, and that is in progress. This is a big one. That's a nice one to have. That's awesome and cool. More facing photo to avatar. We know that marketplace, AI rendering, account logins. Okay, yeah, monthly roadmap. Okay, so okay. So November, more face sculpting. That's cool. December, import custom clothing photo. Okay, so this is when we can expect these things to be here. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. So anyway, I hope this helps. I hope this helps. There is a roadmap for Reblium which I really like, and you can input your whatever to it, which is pretty damn cool. So the pretty cool thing is that in this roadmap you can vote on things that you want, and the last thing is that you can give ideas on what you would like. So you could put up ideas of what you're looking for in the app, which is pretty damn cool. So all in all, I think they're going about this the right way. Look, man, long way to go, but damn, like I say, I really enjoy the studio. I like what they're doing. I think it's pretty damn cool. I like the features. So I'm hoping for the best for this company, and let's see what happens. All right, Ari. Let's see what happens in the future. All right. I hope this helps keep you up. I'll always keep you updated with the state of Reblium. Let's see where it goes. I'm hoping it goes really, really well, and I really do like it. So have a good weekend. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.